None of your neighbors will believe how green your barbecue is after this. Ready to grill with a conscience? Let's dive in. First up, ditch those single-use plates and grab some reusable ones. They're sturdier and way cooler. Next, swap plastic utensils for bamboo ones. They're compostable and won't melt in your potato salad. Got leftovers? Don't toss them, compost them. Your garden will thank you. And save those veggie scraps for broth or a compost pile party. Now let's talk grills. Go for a propane or electric grill to reduce carbon emissions. They're cleaner and quicker to heat. And finally, clean up with non-toxic cleaners. Your grill and the earth will sparkle. So fire up that grill and be a barbecue hero. Grill green, eat clean, and enjoy every bite. Happy grilling.